How to make a YouTube banner. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make or create YouTube banner. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy. Now to create YouTube banner, you can use various editing softwares or apps such as Canva or PixArt such. Now the easiest is the Canva. You can head over to canva.com on your web browser, whether you are on any device. Simply head into canva.com. Now here you'll get the templates. So what you can do is you can search in for the particular templates here saying YouTube banner. You can search it on the search bar. So you can see YouTube banner. Now you can go ahead and open up the banner, any banner that you wish to, right? From the list, from the designs, so that you can get the size of the banner. Once you have the size, you can go ahead and you can simply go ahead and edit it, add in your picture there, and you can edit it. So you can do this on any other website as well. So this is how you can create YouTube banner. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.